Lord, praise the Lord, yes, Lord. I just thought of something. I just want to share with y'all. See these two dudes right here? Yeah, these two dudes right here. Just Us and Jabbar. Yeah. These two dudes right here. I was just thinking, I realized, I'm like, man, hold on. Somebody lying. Yep, that's what I said. Somebody lying. You know why? Because on Easter, when they say they died. Yeah, he died because he was touching on people and healing people with his little blue eye, and they threw rocks at him and stuff and all that stuff. They say he died because he got shot and everything, and because he just wanted to smoke and tell his story, and that's what happened. But on Easter when they died or whatever, you know what I'm saying? They rose again, he rose, he came out the rock or something, He came out the shortcut, y'all know about that shortcut, the shortcut between the house, he came out the shortcut and we were like, oh snap, Jabbar. The people were like, oh snap, just us. You alive? And they were like, yeah. We here. And all they know, like, oh, what's up? And they were like, look at here. I died for y'all. He was like, yeah, I got shot for y'all. So he was like, look, don't eat no meat. And he was like, yeah. Whatever he said, but nah, fuck all that. Eat some chicken. So I'm like, all right, okay, don't eat no meat. He said, eat some chicken. I'm confused. I'm like, man, hold on, because they say if you eat no meat or something or whatever, you go to hell. I'm like, oh Lord, and look here, and don't judge me, no, because I'm gonna tell you why don't judge me. See the dude right there? Man, I had to see this dude every Saturday with my grandfather. Yep, this dude right here with the blue eyes, just us, every Saturday. Early. Going to church early, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. We go to the church so early, just us wasn't even on the cross. Yeah. I'm like, why are we at the church and this dude ain't even here yet? What the hell? Don't make no goddamn sense. You know what I'm saying? So then I got to deal with that on a Saturday. Then I go to him on Sunday. Yes, Jabbar. He be having this spot rocking though. I ain't lying. He be having this spot. Everybody be doing the cabbage patch and the beanie weenie in his spot. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, when I go after that on a Sunday, I had to go back and see this dude Monday. I ain't lying though. I'm dealing with this dude again, like, bruh, for real, just us. I gotta come back to you again. Then they try to make me do all those prayers and stuff. And I'm not like, man, hold on. I ain't been doing them prayers. You know them prayers. Our Father, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom. I'm gonna come on the earth, something like that. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good now. I'm like, nah, y'all ain't about to make me learn that. Cause I get fired from being an altar boy. Shit, like I confess a friend's gonna get mad at me cause I ring the damn bell too damn long. Man, look, don't judge me on that. That's another story. I'll tell you about that. But yeah, somebody let me know what's going on with this. Carry on. Bye.